Welcome to my presentation on warming up and brainstorming concepts. This time is, or in this lesson, by the way, congratulations. You have passed through different activities still now. For example, at the first, you have seen about the video and the video about the overview of punctuation and the overview of problem and solution paragraph. You have seen also identifying audience, purpose and setting from the model text. You have also seen about grammar and sentence structure, particularly adverbs and adverbial clauses, and you transfer towards sentence structures. Finally, you have seen about punctuation and mechanics. Therefore, you have passed through different things. Now, you are going to, you see, you are approaching to the real writing activity, particularly on the problem solution paragraph. It is time now, warming up and brainstorming concepts. At this time, or in this lesson, you are expected to activate your background knowledge or prior knowledge on the problem you encountered at the school. In addition to this, you will try to gather information regarding, or you have to gather information through brainstorming activity about the problem you encountered at the school. Therefore, you are closing towards writing a paragraph. So the learning objective of our today's lesson, by the end of this video, you will be able to activate your thinking with quick writing, review important vocabulary that are essential to write paragraph on the problem you encounter. Thirdly, you brainstorm about ideas about your school problem. Finally, you prepare to write a paragraph. This is a very significant and critical time that help you to write paragraphs. Therefore, listen and follow me attentively as much as possible in order to build, in order to warm up and brainstorm your mind. The first one is warming up. 5.1, quick write activities. Look, in your flipped classroom material, there is an activity 1.6, quick write on thematic concepts. Instruction, pause this video and then write non-stop for 3 minutes about the problem you faced at school. What problem did you face at school? Therefore, these are the 3 questions, directive questions that lead you to search for, to specify the problem you are going to, or to choose among many problems you faced in school. For example, what is the problem? What problem did you face at school? Or have you faced at school? Why was it a problem? Why was it a problem? How did it make you feel? These are the 3 significant questions that help you activate your prior knowledge about the problem you faced at school. Therefore, following this, try to answer these questions in order to activate your background knowledge. So, the second one is there are vocabularies that you should review in order to, you see, this helps you build your vocabulary, activate your background knowledge, and build your vocabulary that are related to the problem you encounter at school. Activity 1.7, vocabulary review. Review the following high-frequency words related to school and problems. Use each word in a sentence related to your school experience. For example, key vocabulary: problem, difficulty, solution, challenge, feedback, improve. These are the main words that may help you to write paragraph. Therefore, you should make sentence using these vocabularies in order to activate your background knowledge. The first one has been done for you. The noisy classroom was a problem for my concentration. Look, problem. Using problem, I have constructed sentence. Based on this, try to construct sentence with the remaining vocabulary jotted down under the key vocabulary. Next, brainstorming idea. Now it is time for you to brainstorm idea about the problem you encountered at school. In the warming up activity, you activated your thematic concepts regarding the problem you encountered at school. But now you are going to collect information about the problem you encountered at school from yourself. Brainstorming is related to your mind. Therefore, here instruction. Pause the video and then think about the specific problem you have faced at school. What specific problem have you faced? Use this question to brainstorm. These are the questions that are very, very significant for you. They lead you to brainstorm idea from your mind. For example, what was the problem? What was the problem you faced at school? What was that specific problem? When and where did it happen? When and where did the problem happen? Who was affected with that problem? Why did it happen? Why the problem happened? What solution could help? These are direct questions that help you to brainstorm your idea. Try to practice answer for these questions. You see, I'm going to summarize my lesson now. Warm-up is a technique used to activate your background knowledge on the topic you are going to write. In essence, in this class context, you are going to write a paragraph on the problem you faced at school. And the second one is brainstorming is a technique of gathering information on the topic you are going to write for. Therefore, try to properly brainstorm your idea, activate your background knowledge in order to have or in order to enrich with the information that you are the information on the topic that you are going to write. The usual topic here is call to action. Try all the questions in the activity in this lesson and bring your answer to the class. Bring your brainstorming activity as well as bring the warm-up activity you have done to the classroom, because they help you to write paragraph in the classroom, in the class meeting. The next lesson will be, you will learn how to organize and outline problem solution paragraph. Here in this lesson, you have completed warming up activity as well as brainstorming idea. Through warming up activity, you have activated your background knowledge regarding the problem you have faced at school. In addition to this, you have built your vocabulary knowledge in the warming up activity, and in the brainstorming activity, you have brainstorming your idea on the problem you encounter at school. Therefore, in the next lesson, you are going to organize and outline the information you gathered through brainstorming. Therefore, be ready to outline this information, to organize this information under the topic of the problem you encounter at school. Therefore, I have completed my lesson here. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you very much for your watching patience. patiently this video. Thank you. Bye bye students. See you in the next lesson.